गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग चैप्टर सॉल्यूशंस के अंतर्गत बात करेंगे आइडियल सॉल्यूशंस और नॉन आइडियल सॉल्यूशंस के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया फॉर ए सॉल्यूशन टू बी आइडियल। नंबर वन क्राइटेरिया, द सॉल्यूशन मस्ट ओबे राउल्ट्स लॉ एट ऑल टेम्परेचर्स एंड concentrations, that is the vapor pressure of each component in the given solution is equal to the product of mole fraction of the component and the vapor pressure of the component in pure form. And suppose the two components are A and B, then PA is equal to PA naught chi A and PB is equal to PB naught chi B, and the total vapor pressure, that is P total, is equal to PA plus PB इज इक्वल टू पी ए नॉट काई ए प्लस पी बी नॉट काई बी। तो सॉल्यूशन यदि ये क्राइटेरिया को ओबे करता है, फॉलो करता है, देन द सॉल्यूशन इट इज़ द आइडियल सॉल्यूशन। नेक्स्ट क्राइटेरिया, in an ideal solution the like forces must be similar to the unlike forces, that is the magnitude of forces between solute solute, solvent solvent and solvent solute must be similar, and therefore A और A के बीच का जो फोर्स है it should be similar in magnitude of the forces operating between A and B and between B and B. In other words, both the components, that is the solvent and the solute, must have identical size, molecular structure and similar intermolecular forces. The next criteria, there should be no change in volume on mixing the two components, that is volume change on mixing the two components must be 0, that is del mix V is equal to 0, means in this case on mixing the two components there should not be any change in the volume, because the volume of the solution is equal to volume of the solvent and volume of the solute. The next criteria, it is the enthalpy of mixing the pure components to form the solution must be 0, that is del mix H is equal to 0, means in this case there should not be any change in enthalpy on mixing, that is the process, it should not be exothermic or endothermic, means in other words heat should not be absorbed or evolved in ideal solution formation. A perfectly ideal solution is rare, but some solutions are nearly ideal in behavior. For example, solution of n-heptane and n-hexane, bromoethane and chloroethane, benzene and toluene. These are the examples of the solutions which are nearly ideal in behavior. Now about the graphical representation of ideal solution. Ideal solution of two volatile components have specific graph when vapor pressure is plotted against mole fraction. Now we can see the graph here. In this case, point A denotes vapor pressure of pure component A, here it is PA naught, and point B, it denotes the vapor pressure of pure component B, here it is PB naught. The joining AB denotes the variation of total vapor pressure against the mole fraction of volatile components present in the mixture. Here the joining, it is the AB, this one it represents the P total, that is P total is equal to PA naught chi A plus PB naught chi B. The joining AD represents the variation of vapor pressure of component A with its mole fraction in the solution, that is Pa is equal to Pa naught chi A. This joining AD, here it is the joining AD, A, and here it is D. This represents the PA, that is Pa is equal to Pa naught chi A, and similarly the joining B and C, this one it represents the PB, that is here PB is equal to PB naught chi B. For the solution to be ideal, the joinings AB, BC and AD must be strictly straight lines. Here the joinings AB, here it is the BC and AD. These joinings must be straight line. If straight line, then the solution is ideal. Otherwise, if the line is not straight, then the solution it is not ideal, means it is the non-ideal solution. Next, about non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions do not obey Raoult's law, that is Pa is not equal to Pa naught chi A, Pb is not equal to Pb naught chi B, and P total is not equal to Pa naught chi A plus Pb naught chi B, and also del mix H is not equal to 0 and del mix V is not equal to 0. Non-ideal solutions are divided into two types. First one, here it is the non-ideal solutions with positive deviation. In this case, the observed vapor pressure is found greater than expected or calculated vapor pressure from Raoult's law, that is Pa is greater than Pa naught chi A, Pb is greater than Pb naught chi B, and P total is also greater than Pa naught chi A plus Pb naught chi B. The cause of positive deviation from Raoult's law is due to weaker interactions of AB than AA and BB interactions. This means that the intermolecular attractive forces between solute-solvent molecules are weaker than those between the solute-solute and solvent-solvent molecules. Due to this, in such solutions, molecules of A or B will find easier to escape than in pure state. This will increase the vapor pressure and result in positive deviation. Some examples of solutions which show positive deviations are cyclohexane plus ethanol, ethanol plus acetone, acetone plus carbon disulfide, etc. Now the graphical representation to show the positive deviation. Here these straight lines, broken line or dotted line, these one, ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है आइडियल सॉल्यूशन के लिए, जबकि हम लोग देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर पी ए ये ग्रेटर है फ्रॉम द आइडियल सॉल्यूशन में जितना होना चाहिए उससे ज़्यादा, उसी तरह पी बी भी ग्रेटर है एंड वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इट इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर. दिस शोज द पॉजिटिव डेविएशन. Now explanation of positive deviation using a suitable example. Let us consider the homogeneous mixture of ethanol and cyclohexane. Ethanol molecules involve strong intermolecular hydrogen bond. We can see here these are the ethanol molecules. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं ये ऑक्सीजन पर डेल्टा माइनस और हाइड्रोजन पर डेल्टा प्लस. In between these two hydrogen bond will be formed. यहाँ hydrogen bond, here is also hydrogen bond and also here it is the hydrogen bond. On mixing cyclohexane with ethanol, some hydrogen bonds are decomposed to accommodate the molecules of cyclohexane. यहाँ this is the ethanol molecule, ethanol molecule, ethanol molecule. पहले यहाँ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड था, जबकि टू एकोमोडेट द साइक्लोहेक्सेन मॉलिक्यूल को यहाँ एकोमोडेट करने के लिए सम ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स आर डिकम्पोज्ड। यहाँ पर जो पहले हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड था वो अब यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड नहीं है। ऑन डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड द इंटरमॉलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज लोअर्ड, एज a result rate of evaporation increases, thus the observed vapor pressure becomes greater than the expected vapor pressure. Now about the non-ideal solutions with negative deviations. In such type of deviation, the observed vapor pressure becomes less than expected or calculated vapor pressure from Raoult's law. That is, PA is less than PA naught chi A, PB is less than PB naught chi B, and P total is also less than PA naught chi A plus PB naught chi B. Negative deviation occurs when attractive forces between solute-solvent molecules become stronger than those between solute-solute and solvent-solvent molecules. This leads to decrease in vapor pressure, resulting in negative deviation. Some examples of mixtures which show negative deviations are acetone plus chloroform, phenol plus aniline, acetone plus aniline, etc. Now, the graphical representation of negative deviation, we can see here, these are the straight lines for the ideal solution. This one ये आइडियल सॉल्यूशन के लिए है, जबकि हम लोग देख रहे हैं हियर इट इज़ द नेगेटिव डेविएशन, लोअर है आइडियल सॉल्यूशन से, ये भी नेगेटिव डेविएशन, एंड वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इट इज ऑल्सो लेस, लोअर है इस केस में। तो दिस ग्राफ इट रिप्रेजेंट द नेगेटिव डेविएशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, नेगेटिव डेविएशन from the Raoult's law. Now, explanation of negative deviation using a suitable example. Let us consider the homogeneous mixture of acetone and chloroform. On mixing the components, intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. यहाँ पर this is the acetone and this is the chloroform. इन दोनों के बीच में intermolecular hydrogen bond बनेगा इस जगह पर। Due to increase in intermolecular force on mixing the two components, the rate of evaporation decreases and the observed vapor pressure becomes less than the calculated or theoretical vapor pressure. Means in this case, the solution it will show the negative deviation from Raoult's law. Next, we will discuss about the colligative properties. Okay, thank you, take care and have a good day.